Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can apply magic effect to our video using PicsArt for Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened the PicsArt.com and first of all, I'm going to upload my photo to this website and I'm going to edit my photo. For example, I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to tap on open and just wait for a moment until the photo has been imported to our project. Okay, just wait guys. Okay, and if we want to apply effect to our photo, we can go to the effects menu, and here we'll be able to get a lot of effects for our photo. And to apply the magic effect, we can go to the magic category, and here you can choose the magic effect that you like. For example guys, I'm going to apply this moonlight effect. I'm just going to tap on that and wait until the effect is applied to my photo. Okay, as you can see guys, that the moonlight effect has been applied to this photo, and I'm going to try another effect. I'm gonna go with this one, highlight. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is the result. And if you want to export your photo, you just need to click on export, and then you can download the photo to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply magic effect to our video in PicsArt. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!